Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tablet has adequate power and a reliable charger. A weak battery causes false failures. Next, force a restart by holding power and volume down for 10 to 20 seconds to clear transient hangs. Once done, remove SD cards, SIM cards, and Bluetooth accessories to eliminate peripheral conflicts. If the screen responds, immediately check settings, right arrow storage, and backup any accessible data. These steps isolate software hangs from hardware faults, so you know what to try next. Once in recovery, you should wipe the cache partition first, because it clears temporary files that often break boot processes without erasing data. If that fails, make sure you have a backup and then perform a factory reset. This removes corrupted settings causing persistent crashes. For deeper corruption, download the tablet's official firmware and use the vendor's USB flashing tool or ADB sideload to reflash the OS. This restores system files reliably. Make sure drivers are installed on your PC so the tool can communicate with the device. You finish by validating core functions: touchscreen responsiveness, connectivity, cameras, speakers, and charging behavior to confirm full recovery. If software reflash didn't help, open the back only if you're comfortable. Check battery connections, display flex cables, and visible board damage. Replacing faulty components often resolves persistent power or input failures. Once repaired, restore your backup and update apps. If things still go wrong, enable USB debugging and pull system logs, so a technician can pinpoint the hardware or driver-level fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.